How to verify Facebook account. Let's jump right into the steps. First, you want to go ahead and open your Facebook app on your phone. Tap on menu that is on the bottom right corner. Now you need to scroll down to the very bottom and then tap on help and support. Tap on help center. In the search bar, go ahead and search for request a blue verification badge. Tap on the very first link that is request a verification badge on Facebook. Now you need to scroll down. Under verify your profile or page, tap on fill out this form. You need to fill up the following form, that is, what are you verifying, a page or profile? You need to tap on any of it. Then enter your profile's URL here. To confirm your authenticity, you can provide your documents, any of it. For that, you want to tap on the drop-down button besides license and select any of these. Then you need to add the document file. You can take a photo or choose it from files. Now you need to confirm your notability. You need to put any of agendas that you are in. Enter your country or region, enter your audience type, and fill other parts of the form accordingly. After that, you want to tap on send, and that is how you can get verified on Facebook. I really hope this video helped you out. Thank you so much for watching till the very end.